Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today we are celebrating Canada Day, and I'm recording this video on Canada Day itself. And I'm going to make a Canadian Asian twist of a sweet dessert. So for that we have all the listed ingredients on the slides that I have presented earlier. So there are a few steps, so let us see how to make the batter, the first step. So for that you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, and some salt, which is less than 1/8 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/8 of color powder, which is a red color powder. I'm going to symbolize it like a Canadian flag. And with this we will whisk everything together. And with that we will now add 1 cup of milk, cooled milk, and we will mix it together well. And this looks pinkish, we may need to add more coloring. As our batter is pretty thick, we should dilute it with some water, a little bit at a time, and make it into a pouring consistency. And this should be a good batter. At this stage we can add a little bit of vanilla essence, approximately about half a teaspoon. Not more than that, half a teaspoon, but if it's according to your taste that you would like to have more, please go ahead, do not hesitate. And so this is the batter, which is ready, and we have to strain this for any lumps. So it's time to strain the batter, just to prevent from all kinds of lumps. So we have to have a lump-free batter. As you can see, there's a lot of lumps over here, and we have sifted, so we can use the batter for the crepes. Viewers, while our batter is getting rested, so let's make the filling. For that, I will start off with 1/3 cup of sugar, and also a pinch of salt. And also to dilute it, we will add 1 tablespoon of water, and with a slow flame let the dilute, and then we will add the next ingredient. As our sugar has diluted, and so now we can add the coconut and coat it with the sugar. And remember, the filling has to be truly pure and white in color. And so if you have your coconut, your filling, it's a little diluted, just add a spoon of rice flour, and it should dry out everything. And we are done with this, and we have one more ingredient to add on into that, and when it's cooled we will add the ingredient. The mixture is ready. It's not cool yet, but we can add 1 ingredient, and with this we can add 1/4 teaspoon to half a teaspoon of rose essence, and continue fluffing until it is mixed well. And we have fluffed the filling, and we will wait until it's cool off. Now we are going to make the crepe, so we will add a teaspoon of butter, and then we will brush the butter all throughout. And with that we will add 1 ladle of the batter. And we will let it cook, and we will cover it now. As the first one always have some issues, but we will lift it up slowly and flip it, and we will let it cook for a bit. And our first pancake is ready. And now we will do the same thing with the second one. So we will add a little bit of butter, and then we will grease the whole pan. And there's something over here, just remove that. And a ladle of the batter. And we will cover this. repeat the process until everything is done. So dear viewers, we will now fold or wrap this this crepes, and so that for that we will add 1 tablespoon of the coconut. As you can fill up as much as you want, and also fold them this way and fold them to the left and right and roll it out, and we are done with one. So I will do the second one. So 1 tablespoon of the filling goes in, and we will wrap this on each side and fold it up. So we will repeat all of them, and then we will come back to the end. Hey dear viewers from Friday Friendly Kitchen, and here we go. Today we have done the crepes filled with rose flavored coconut filling, and I hope you will try this for this Canada Day or this coming time, anytime. It's a perfect tea time snack for just for the fun, and also it's also a good dessert after a good meal. So we have the bear over here represents Canada, and we have a Canada flag as well. So I wish every Canadian a happy Canada Day, happy birthday Canada, and may God bless you always. Thank you very much, and see you soon in my next video.